Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a system I built that lets you generate UGC videos using the new video-free image to video feature. And like always, I'm giving you all the resources you need to set this system up for completely free. So let's quickly move on. I'm going to start with a quick live demo for you. I will run the workflow, I will show you the results, and then break down every single node so you can see exactly how I built this thing. So now let me quickly do a demo run for you as well, so you have some kind of overview how this system works. So I generated a input image with ChatGPT 4.0. Here's the prompt: 19-year-old blonde US girl in her bedroom holding a makeup product. Alexa smiling and promoting it like a TikTok UGC soft lighting and casual vibe. And here's the image holding this Alexa or the makeup product. So now I'm going to quickly navigate back to n8n and I'm going to show you the input prompt as well, what I am using. Here's the image. And I have tried so many makeup products, but Alexa, game changer. It blends like a dream and actually lasts all day. I'm obsessed. So now I'm going to quickly hit execute workflow and I'm going to send this same prompt. Here you can see, send it. And as you can see, it's going to upload the image to Google Drive. It's going to create the shareable link, and now it started generating the image using the Kia AI. And you can see it will take 2 minutes to generate. So I will be back once this is generated. And you can see it's going to send a message and it's going to save it to Google Sheets. So now let's quickly open up the Telegram and you can see here's the video.
I've tried so many makeup products, but Alexa, game changer. It blends like a dream and actually lasts all day. I'm obsessed.
So I think personally that the video is pretty unbelievable. As you can see, here's the picture, what we used, and there's the output.
I've tried so many makeup products, but Alexa.
No, this is crazy to be honest. And it actually got 100% with the prompt as well. I have tried so many makeup products, but Alexa, game changer. It blends like a dream and actually lasts all day. I'm obsessed. And the crazy part is that you don't even have to use the AI generated images. You can just find few influencers, send them your product and just tell them, can you please make few photos with the product, and just use this UGC video generator to make the ad videos or some organic videos for the TikTok or Instagram. So I think it's pretty amazing. So now I'm going to quickly show the Google Sheets as well, where we basically outputted the video and all the other information too. So I'm going to open up the Google Sheets and you can see here's the timestamp when we created this video. And here's the image as well, and here's the prompt. I have tried so many makeup products, but Alexa, game changer. It blends like a dream and actually lasts all day. I'm so obsessed. Here's the final video, so I'm going to quickly open this link. This is the exactly same video what we outputted to Telegram, so I'm going to quickly navigate back. And for the status, you can see ready, in progress, so it's just empty. So now I'm going to quickly navigate back to n8n and I'm going to quickly break this workflow down for you so you can actually build this one for yourself. Or if you want to, you can get the ready-to-use template from my AI community. Here you can see UGC video generator. We have free image to video. Here's the ready-to-use template, and here's the Google Sheets as well. So if you're interested, make sure to check it out. So, and now I'm going to do full breakdown. I'm going to show you node by node how you can build this funnel for yourself or how you can actually set it up. So here you can see for the trigger, we are using this Telegram trigger, and this Telegram trigger activates whenever we send a prompt with the image to this Telegram bot. I'm going to quickly show you. Here you can see we send a image with the prompt. I have tried so many makeup products, but Alexa, game changer, and so on and so on. And this Telegram trigger basically activates. You can use WhatsApp trigger as well if you want to, but in this case, I'm using this. Yeah. So I'm going to quickly open this. Here you can see on the right side, we have here the image or the file ID, and down here we can see the captions or the message or the prompt. So let's quickly move on. Next node is get image. This basically allows us to get extract image from the previous Telegram trigger node. Here you can see, I'm going to quickly scroll down until you can see file ID, and this is the file or the image what we sent to this AI chatbot. And inside the next node, we are going to basically upload the same image what we're getting from the previous Telegram node to Google Drive, so we can actually generate a shareable link so we can actually send it to our video maker later. So I'm going to quickly open up this upload image node, and on the left side you can see we will get the file from the get the file or Telegram node. We will open up the schema. Here you can see here's the file ID, and now I'm going to quickly break down this node as well. So for the resource, we are using file. Operation will be upload, so we can upload a file to Google Drive. Input data and field name will be data, so we can actually upload a image. And by the way, if you have some kind of problems with the credentials to connect with, or the overall the credentials, make sure to check it out. I will leave the link down below as well, how to connect your credentials. So let's quickly move on. File name will be result json.result.file ID, and this is just dragged from the left side from the get a image. Just drag it inside this box and you're good to go. This is basically the unique file ID for the image, or the image ID. And down here we're gonna basically select a drive and the folder where we want to basically save the image or the picture of the person to. So I'm gonna quickly open up this, and here you can see I have some images here because all my n8n images are here, and there you can see all the images are here. So now I'm gonna quickly make it back, and on the right side you can see it basically saved the image to this folder. All the information is on the right side. So now let's quickly close this and open up this share image at Google Drive node, where we are gonna basically generating a shareable Google Drive link. So I'm going to open up this node, and you can see on the left side you can see all the information what we basically outputted from the previous node. Here you can see upload image node, and then we're going to basically send all the information to this Google Drive share image, and inside here we're going to basically generate a shareable link. So here you can see resource will be file, so we can actually get the file. Operation will be shared, so we can actually make it shareable. And for the file, just change this to by ID if it's not yet, and then drag this ID from the previous upload node to inside this box, and then we basically can give the permissions to this file or the image. And you can see down here, you can see permissions, turn this one on. Role will be reader, and type will be anyone, so we can give a readable access to anyone, and allow file discovery. I would recommend turning this off. And on the right side you can see here's the output, kind, drive permission, ID, anyone with the link. So anyone who has the link will have the access. So type will be anyone, role will be reader, and allow file discovery will be false. And let's quickly move on, and inside the next node we're gonna basically generating a actual UGC file, and inside this we're gonna, by the way, you're using this HTTP request tool if you don't know yet. And inside this node, we're going to basically using Kia AI in order to actually generate the video. And you can see for the method we're using post, so we can post a request to this URL in order to actually generate the video. And here's the URL as well, kiaai.id.ai/API/v1/video and /generate, so we can actually generate a VO3 video. And for the authentication, you don't need. Send query parameters will be turned off. Send headers. Specify headers using fields below. Header parameters, name will be authorization, and value will be bearer and your API key. I'm going to show you as well how you can get the API key. So navigate to kia.ai, and on the right top right you can see we have free API. Just click here, and we have free playground for free. And on the left side you can see dashboard, playground, API key, API updates, logs, billings, document, and everything is here on the left side. So now we need the API key, so let's quickly open up the API key and create the API key on the right side top right, and create the API key. Just put the name here and hit create, and now you have the API key. Okay, I already have the same name, the API key. I can just put the one free, and you can see I had this API key here. Just copy this and navigate back. Just paste it inside here and you're good to go. And then you can see send body will be turned on. This basically allows us to send more information to the website or to the URL. And in this case, we're going to basically send the image URL and the prompt or the script. Here you can see body content type will be JSON, specify body will be using fields below, and you can see body parameters. Here we have prompt, and this is the prompt what we have dragged from the prompt and image nodes. Open up the prompt and image node. This is the trigger actually. So let's quickly scroll down until you can see captions. I've tried so many makeup products and so on, and just drag these captions inside this box and you're good to go. And you can see the next thing is image URLs. This is the URL what we're basically sending along with the prompt in order to actually generate the video. This is the image URL, this image URL, what we have in the Google Drive. So I'm going to quickly show you how you can get it, get this dynamic value here. So let's quickly navigate up. I'm going to close these prompts and images, and I'm going to open up this upload image. and down here you can see web content link, so just drag it inside here and you're good to go. And down here you can see the Google Drive image link as well. And let's quickly move on. Here you can see the model. For the model we are using VO3 fast because it's very cheap compared to the VO3 high quality. And you can see down here you can see redirects, follow redirects, and the max redirects is 21. And on the right side you can see under the outputs we have this task ID, and this task ID is basically a unique ID for each video what we are generating. So let's quickly move on. And the next node is this Google Sheets node. And inside this node, we're going to basically output the information to Google Sheets that we are actually generating this video right now. So I'm going to quickly open up the Google Sheets, and you can see we're going to basically output the image link and the status will be in progress. And let's quickly get back, and you can see operation will be append or update row, so we can actually add a row here. In this case we can add the image link and the status, and you can see I have just picked my document here, and here's the sheet as well. And mapping column mode will be map each column manually, and column to match on will be image link. Values to send, we're going to send the image link and the status. So and on the right side you can see status in progress and image link, what we basically outputted to Google Sheets. Now let's quickly move on, and then we have this wait node. Inside here we have actually 3 minutes, but I have to change this quickly. I'm going to change it to 3 minutes. And when we reach this wait node, we have to wait 3 minutes in order to actually generate the video, because generating the VO3 video will take some time. So I have added this 3-minute node here. And once we have waited 3 minutes, it will send the output. So in this case, it will send the information, this get results. I'm going to open up this get results, and this get results node basically allows us to get information about the video what we generated before. Here you can see method will get, so we can get information from this URL, and you can see Kia AI.id.api/API/v1/vo/record information. So we can get information about the video what we generated inside this create UGC video. And for the identification, just pick this generate credential type. Generate auth type will be header auth, and the header auth will be Kia API. In some cases we need it, so I have added this. So I'm going to quickly create new credential, and you can see for the name just put authorization, and value will be, I'm going to show you, I'm going to turn it to expression per air, and here goes your API key. Basically just paste your same API key what you basically got from the Kia AI inside here, and you're good to go. And hit save changes as well. So in this case I'm going to quickly close this, and you can see send query parameters will be turned on, so we can get information about the video what we created before. As you can see using specified query parameters will be using fields below, and name will be task ID, and the value will be task ID. I'm going to show you as well. So navigate to create UGC video and just drag it inside this box, and you're good to go. And you can see send headers will be turned on as well. Specify headers will be using the fields below. Header parameters will be name will be authorization, and here's the value, and this is the same what we basically added inside the header auth. So you can just copy everything from the header auth and just paste it inside here, you're good to go. And send body will be turned off. And you can see on the right side, you can see message will be success. So it successfully generated a video for us. Here's the task ID as well, and here's the result URL, and this is the video what we basically generated, or the URL for the video. So now I'm going to quickly close this and move on. And here we have basically two outputs. The first output, we're going to basically send the video back to Telegram, and the second one basically we're going to save it to Google Sheets. So I'm going to quickly open up the Telegram node first, and message resource will be message, operation will be send video. Here will be your chat ID, what we basically drag from the first trigger under the prompt and images. Open up this, scroll a bit down until you can see chat. Actually, it's up here, chat, and just drag your chat ID inside this box, and you're good to go. Binary file will be turned off. And here's the video. This is the video link. So I'm going to quickly open up the previous node, create results, and under here you can see result URL, and just drag it inside here, and you're good to go. And the reply markup will be none. And this basically allows us to send the video back to Telegram. And now let's quickly move on. I'm going to show you the Google Sheets as well. And you can see, so the operation will be append or update row. This basically allows us to update the status. It's ready eventually once the videos are done. And document will be the document we're going to basically I send all the information to, and there's the sheet as well. Mapping column mode will be map each column manually, and column to match on will be image link. And values to send image link, I have tracked this from the upload image. Under here you can see web content link, just drag it inside here. Actually this is not the one, this is the web view link, just drag it inside here. And here we're gonna basically add a timestamp or when the video was created at. Let's quickly move on. Here's the prompt. This is just dragged from the first node, from the prompt and images under the caption. And there's the final video. This is basically dragged again from the previous get results node, result URLs inside this, and status, just type here ready and you're good to go. Now let's quickly close this. And here you can see just like that, you can basically build this UGC, video-free UGC video generator for yourself that basically generates UGC videos for you. And that's basically it. We have built this UGC video generator. I hope you followed along and learned something valuable during the process. And again, guys, if you want to download the workflow, you will find it inside my AI community. Here's the full template along with the Google Sheets. So if you're interested, make sure to check it out. It's completely free. And if you enjoyed the video or learned something new, please give it a like. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.